Hey everybody. I know this is not the best angle, but I wanted to do an unboxing. Well, I've kind of already unboxed it, but because I had a video chat with one of my friends and she really wanted to see it. So I just thought I would come outside and do the unboxing because I kind of liked the lighting outside. But I just couldn't find a table big enough. So hopefully the angle is not too bad. But this unboxing is my giveaway that I won from So Sweet Creations. So I will show y'all that. This is the package I got, and it come all the way from Australia. So I cannot wait. It came with, well, let's see. Yeah, about So Sweet Creations. They do cloth menstrual pads and breast pads. So Sweet Creation cloth pads are the most top cases, in most cases, top with cotton, jersey knit, 100% cotton, 5% lycra or minky. I use Super Thirsty Bamboo Fleece as my core with Hidden PUL for super leak proof protection. My pads are then backed with undies, side with corduroy. How to tell absorbency. Red pad, heavy postpartum, 3 layers. Green ribbon, regular heavy, 2 layers. And blue ribbon, light regular. Payment, all payments can be securely with PayPal or by direct debit. Postage, custom items will be posted within 4 to 6 weeks after payment is confirmed and sent by Australia Post. Refunds due to personal nature of these items. I am unable to accept returns. If you have any issues with your purchase, please contact me within 72 hours of receiving your order, so that we may be able to reach a resolution. Care instructions. Although I pre-wash all my fabrics, some shrinkage is expected with initial wash of So Sweet cloths due to natural fabrics used. With almost anything that gets washed, your pads will get a little crinkly when wet. Before you dry them, make sure to give a little shake and then stretch out. This will get them back into shape and ready for comfy wear. So it has some cleaning tips, and then contact Erin. And then she has a price list for one 13-inch pad, one 11 and a half, and one 9-inch trial pack. And I will just put that there so you can pause the video so you can see it. She does starter packs and different things like that. Then individual pads. And then she also has other stuff. Okay, so now on to my pad that I won. I think this is an 12-inch pad, if I'm not mistaken. And it is wrapped up like this. And it is Mickey topped with the corduroy in the back. And then it's wrapped up. She sent me a business card. So Sweet Creations, Erin Kiss. And then she sent me a little pad keychain. I had messaged her and I was looking at her page and I told her, I said, those are so cute. And she said, I was just fixing to put one in your package. I was like, no way. So she put one in my little package. It is so cute. It snaps up and everything. And then I, of course, got a Mickey pad. I've never got one from Australia. I've got a pad from Australia. It's been in an airplane and everything. And I love the little green ribbon. So this is my Mickey. It might even be 13. I'm not sure. It's either 12 or 13. Mickey pad. I have been waiting for this. And it's got 2 snaps and it's got the green. So it is a heavy pad. And I love Mickey. Because Mickey is is stain resistant. And so it is 4 fingers wide, so most likely it is a 3-inch gusset. And then it has a second snap. So I believe that is 2.5 inch. So I will wear this on my next cycle and I will do a review and I will let you know how this works. Thank you so much, Erin. I cannot wait to use this and I cannot wait to try this. And please, y'all, go to, I will try to put her link the next time I can get on a computer and put her link in the description box. I love this pad. It is so cute. I love the green. It's sort of like a tie-dye print. It is so cute. And then the back corduroy with the so it grips. And then the little keychain. I've always wanted a keychain. Now I have one. Oh, it's so cute. And then the green. Thank you so much, Erin. And I cannot wait. This is my second giveaway win because I won one with Tina. But thank you so much. And like always, I hope y'all have a blessed day and keep God first. Bye.